Welcome to ClearTask. If you have ever tried typing on a blank line in Microsoft Word, you have probably noticed that the line pushes forward or splits apart. Today, I will show you a simple method to type directly on lines without breaking your formatting. Instead of fighting with the keyboard, we will use a transparent text box. Go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen, click on Shapes and choose Text Box. Draw the text box right above the line where you want to add your text. Go ahead and type your information inside it. To make the box blend in perfectly, we need to remove its background and border. Select the text box, go to the Shape Format tab, click on Shape Fill and select No Fill. Next, click on Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Your text now looks like it was typed directly on the line. You can easily adjust the font, size, and position for a perfect fit. If you have multiple lines to fill out on your document, simply select your transparent text box and press Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Drag the new box to the next line and update the text. It is that easy. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more direct and professional tutorials. See you in the next one.